If you want to go ahead and change out the target video resolution, then you can actually go around over here onto the export settings right here. So over here you can see that I got S.264 format right here, and in order to change the target resolution, you can actually go to preset and choose the resolution as you want. Let's say, for example, I can go for YouTube 480p right here, just like this, which is a standard resolution. But if you want to go ahead and use the same as source, you can go around over here onto video and click on match source, so it'll use the same resolution right here. Apart from that, you can actually also go around over here and uncheck this and add in your own resolution as well, just like this. Let's say, for example, if I were to add in width as 1000, you can see that it actually uses this link right here to change out the height resolution with the same aspect ratio. But if you want to go ahead and stretch it, you can actually go ahead and unlink it and make it, let's say, for example, 1000 by 1000 pixels, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and change the resolution as you like right here, and then you can see a preview of it right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and set the resolution as you like inside of Adobe Media Encoder. And one thing to remember here is that if the source like resolution is lower, and if you set the resolution as higher right here, it won't actually increase out the quality of the video. So if the source is higher and the target, that is the target resolution, is lower, then the quality will be maintained. So that is how you can go ahead and change up the resolution inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.